Hey there, it's Lindsey from lindseyhazel.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to get people to actually hit the subscribe button on your videos. So this thing right here is called a video watermark. Now, I created my own in Canva, so it says subscribe, and I'm going to show you how you can add that to your videos as well. So what you want to do is you want to go to your profile, you want to go to YouTube Studio. And then once you're in YouTube Studio, you want to scroll down to customization. And then you want to go to branding. And then right here where it says video watermark, you want to edit it here. Now, if I didn't already have this, it would just say upload. The most important thing is to make sure it's on there the entire video, because if somebody doesn't watch your entire video, they're not going to be able to see that subscribe button there. So I'm going to remove this one. Again, this is what it would look like if you didn't have one there. And then even though it says that they want it to be 150 by 150, I have one that's 1080 by 1080 and it works fine. So you really don't have to worry about the size, but I'm going to upload. And if the size was different, I could come in here and crop it, but thankfully I made it the right size. And then you're gonna hit done. And then see, when I added it, it defaulted to end of the video. I don't want that. I want it on the entire video. And then I want to hit publish. And that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my channel. I'm going to refresh and make sure that it comes up on my video. Okay, good. So now it's right there, and then people can just hit that subscribe button and do that. Now, if you want to use the same button that I used, I have a free download for you. I will leave it in the description below, and it's basically just this button, and you can go in and download that and just upload it the same way that I showed you how to in this video. But if you want to customize it, I made some templates in Canva that you can download, and I think it's only like $1. Yeah, it's $1 right now. So you can come in here and you can download it in Canva and you can edit it. So what does that look like? Let me show you real quick. So in Canva, I think there's about 10 of these. Let's see. Shrink it down. Yeah, so there's about 10 that you can edit. And what I mean by that is, like, if you want to add your branding colors in here, you can come in here and you can change the colors to your brand color or different colors. You can make the play button a different color, or you can keep it the same color as whatever color you choose. For some of them, like this one, this says subscribe right here in white. So you could download this without the background, and it would just be the button and the white text. And you would download it as a PNG, but remove the background. And to do that, I'll show you real quick. What you would do is you would go to download, and then you would go to, you want it to be page 3. And then you would click on transparent background. Now currently I think this is only available on Canva Pro, and then you would want to make sure it's a PNG, and then you can do that way, and then hit download and have it. But yeah, these are just a bunch of different versions that I've tried in the past, and they work really well. And excuse my puppy for making that scratching sound. I was hoping she'd be really quiet, but yeah, so these are, I'll leave this link below, and I'll also leave the free subscribe button below. And if you have any questions about adding these to your videos or anything like that, just leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll try to help you out as well as I can. Okay, so now you know how to do that. Let's go and make some custom thumbnails for your videos and a channel banner. Click on one of these videos up right now, and I'll see you there. Don't forget to hit subscribe.